Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can remove a watermark from a video in Canva. So let's get started. Here we are in Canva. Currently, I have a sample video, and you can see there's a watermark in the above right corner that's actually just my logo. There are a couple of things you can do to remove it. The first method is by clicking on the video. Then if you right-click and select Detach Video from Background, you can simply crop it to cut the watermark out. So that's one way you can go about removing a watermark. The second way you can do this is by blurring it instead. To do that, come up to Elements in the left side panel. Then search for Blur in the search box at the top, and you'll see a range of blur elements. I'll select this one as an example. All you need to do is place it over the watermark and resize if needed. Make sure it's placed in front of everything else, and this will effectively blur out the watermark. At the moment, there's no way to completely remove a watermark directly within Canva, but these two methods work really well. So that's how you can go ahead and remove a watermark from your video in Canva. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.